Mino Kiji Bawaga. Good morning, friends. This is Chief Pat Gatz, a.k.a. Little Eagle, founder of Hunting for Greatness, the Native Ways. We are today going to go over the basic First Nation Algonquin language of North America. Are you ready? Mino Kiji Bawaga. Good morning. Kwe, Kwe, hello. One Iji Ba Medicine, how are you? Sho Wa Ananwe Kintash, getting better. And you? Now we will count to 10. Pije, 1. Niche, 2. Niswe, 3. Nail, 4. Nonin, 5. Nigo Daswe, 6. Niche Waswe, 7. Niche Waswe, 8. Shongaswe, 9. Mitaswe, 10. That is 1 to 10, my friends, in Algonquin language. If you want to end up learning more, you can check Chief Pat Gatz out at www.patgatz.com, or you can check my YouTube channel at Pat Gatz, the Native Ways, or you can follow me on my Instagram channel at hunting for 4, which is Neo in Algonquin, greatness. So hunting for greatness at Instagram. I enjoy everything, friends. And another word is Miigwech. Thank you for having interest and supporting our native ways of North America, the founder and the ancestors of our people. Have a great day, friends. Hunt for greatness, the native ways.